Honestly, most people either ignore it or configure it incorrectly. That's why their PC slowly becomes laggy after a few months. This feature is called Storage Sense. Storage Sense automatically cleans temporary files, cache files, recycle bin junk, unnecessary system data. Basically, it prevents Windows from becoming cluttered. And when your storage gets filled with junk files, Windows performance drops badly, especially if your C drive is almost full. You can see this option keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files. Make sure this is checked. This allows Windows to remove unnecessary temporary files automatically, safe to keep on. Now below that, you will see automatic users content cleanup. Just turn this on. This lets Storage Sense automatically free up space when needed. Windows will clean unnecessary files in the background before your storage becomes critically full. Now this setting right here is important. This decides how often Windows automatically cleans junk files from your PC. And honestly, if this is set wrong, your storage can either fill up too fast or Windows can clean too aggressively. So let me quickly explain every option. Every day. If you select every day, Windows will clean temporary files daily. This is useful only if your storage fills up very fast or you constantly download and delete files. But for normal users, this is too much because Windows keeps deleting cache files again and again and sometimes may take slightly longer to reload stuff. So personally, I don't recommend this for most people. Every week. Windows cleans junk files once every week. That's enough to keep your PC clean without overdoing it. This option is great for gamers, students, office users, and basically most normal users. Your PC stays smooth, storage stays cleaner, and you don't have to think about it. If you ask me, this is probably the best option overall. Every month, this option runs cleanup only once a month. Good for people who already have a lots of free storage, use SSDs and don't install many apps. But if you use your PC heavily every day, junk files can build up before the monthly cleanup happens. So it's okay, just not ideal for everyone. During low free disk space, this is the default Windows setting. And honestly, it's the safest option. Windows only cleans files when your storage starts getting low. So it doesn't aggressively remove things unless necessary. This is perfect for casual user, beginners or people who don't want to manage settings manually. For most people, here's my simple recommendation is choose every week for best overall choice and select every month. It is okay for clean high storage PCs. Now these settings decides how long deleted files stay in your recycle bin before Windows permanently removes them automatically. And remember, files in the recycle bin still use storage space. So if you never empty it, junk files just keep building up in the background. Let me explain each option quickly. Never. If you choose never, Windows will never automatically empty your recycle bin. So everything stays there until you manually delete it. This is good if you accidentally delete files a lot and want extra safety. But the downside is your recycle bin can become huge over time and waste storage space, especially on smaller SSDs. So if you pick this option, make sure you clean it manually sometimes. One day, this option deletes files permanently after just one day. Honestly, this is too aggressive for most people because sometimes you delete something by mistake and only realize it later. With these settings, your files could disappear permanently very quickly. I wouldn't recommend this unless it's a public or temporary PC. 14 days. Now this is actually a really good balanced option. Deleted files stay for 2 weeks before getting removed automatically. That gives you enough time to recover something if needed, while still keeping storage cleaner. This is good option for normal users, gamers, students and laptop users. 30 days default. This is the default Windows setting. And honestly, for most people, this is the best option. You get enough time to recover deleted files. And Windows still cleans things automatically after a while. It's basically the perfect middle ground. That's why Microsoft keeps this as the default setting. 60 days. This keeps deleted files in the recycle bin for 2 whole months. Useful if you work with important files or large projects and sometimes need to recover older deleted stuff. But remember, those files still take up storage space the entire time. So if your SSD is small, this can slowly waste a lot of space. So here's what I would recommend. Personally, I would go with 14 days or 30 days. Now this settings is very important because this decides if Windows will automatically delete files from your downloads folder. And honestly, this is the setting where people accidentally lose important files the most. So don't just randomly enable this without understanding it. Let me explain each option. Never default setting. If you keep it on never, Windows will never automatically delete anything from your downloads folder. And personally, this is what I recommend for most people. Because your downloads folder usually has important stuffs like software installers, documents, videos, zip files, photos, assignments, and work files. If Windows starts deleting those automatically, it can become a problem very quickly. So for normal users, never is the safest and best option. One day, these settings deleted downloads files if you have not opened them for just one day. Honestly, this is way too aggressive. You might download something today and plan to use it later, but Windows could automatically remove it tomorrow. I definitely would not recommend this for personal computers. 14 days. Now this is a more balanced option. Windows removes downloaded files that have not been opened for 2 weeks. This can help save storage space, especially on laptop with smaller SSDs. But there's still some risk because many people download files and forget about them for a while. So only use this if you regularly organize your downloads folder. This option gives you 1 full month before Windows deletes unused downloaded files. Better than 14 days and safer for most people. Good for users who download lots of temporary files or have limited storage space. Still, personally, I would be careful with automatic deletion in the downloads folder. 60 days. This is the least aggressive automatic cleanup option. Windows waits 2 months before deleting unused downloaded files. So if you really want automatic cleanup, this is probably the safest automatic option. But even then, important files can still disappear if you forget about them. So here's my simple recommendation. Choose never. This is best and safest option. But I will select 14 days as an organized user. So just properly configuring these Windows settings can make a huge difference. Let me know in the comments, will you apply it for best performance? If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips and tutorials like this.